parameter of the operational amplifier is CMRR, that is called as common mode rejection ratio. As I told in the introduction, in the brief introduction that I gave in the beginning of this, so operational amplifiers are basically differential amplifiers. They amplify the difference between the two signals. Here what I am going to do, this is the circuit for calculating the CMRR. Here I have the two input terminals, that is inverting and non-inverting terminals. So identical resistors Ri equal to 100 ohms, Ri equal to 100 ohms are connected. Here Rf equal to 100 ohms between pin number 2 and 6. This is pin number 2, pin number 3, pin number 6. So between pin number 2 and 3, we have identical RFs. RF is 100K, here also R is 100. So this RF is connected between 2 and 6, and to the pin number 3, RF is connected from pin number 3 to ground. Whereas these two resistors are equal, that is 100 ohms, 100 ohms, and both of them are connected to the common input. Here both are connected to the common input, so we have the same amount of voltage applied to the two terminals, that is inverting terminal as well as non-inverting terminal. Same voltage is applied, you see here 100 ohms, 100 ohms, 100K, 100K. So same voltage is applied to both the input terminals, and because it is a differential amplifier, so when it amplifies, it is going to amplify the difference of the two signals. So if you have, let us say 1 volt on both sides, so then 1 minus 1 will be 0. So we are supposed to get 0, but in fact we are getting a very, very low value. I will just show you here. You can so this is the connection for op amp. This is the two resistors I have connected here, 150 ohms, 150 ohms, and here we have, this is 100K, 100K. This is pin number 2 to 6, pin number 3 to ground. This is 150 ohms for pin number 3, from pin number 3 to supply, 150 ohms from pin number 2 to supply. And here we are taking the output. So now let us apply the input voltage. The input voltage is here. I will apply the input voltage. You can see the measurement here. Input voltage. Input voltage is approximately, you just see the input voltage, and I will be varying the input voltage. It is minimum. Yes. You see the input voltage, it's of the order of 1.11 volts input voltage. Now you can see the output voltage, because it is a differential amplifier, output must be almost 0. Just see what it is. Output voltage is very, very small, of the order of 0.12. We have to keep the op amp, the multi in the AC voltage, because we are applying AC signals. You see that output is very, very small. Further I am going to increase the input voltage, and you see that further increase in the input voltage. So instead of earlier it was 1.2, now I am going to apply 2.2, 2.22. That is the input voltage, AC input voltage I am applying for both the input terminals, and let us see the output. The output, as I told you, when both the input terminals are having the same output, it is going to reject that voltage. This is the output voltage we are getting. It is going to reject, almost we are getting 0 here. So like this, we can repeat this for number of readings. One more reading I am going to show here. Further I am going to increase the input voltage. Further increase in the input voltage, you see what you get. I am going to increase this, let us say to about 4.44. This is the input voltage, AC voltage I am applying for to both the input terminals, that is the inverting as well as the non-inverting terminal, and you can just check the output. Output will be very, very small, because it is going to reject any common signal that is present in the input signal. Output is only 0.23. So like this, op amp is going to reject any common signals that are present at both the input terminals. So that's why this ability to reject the common signals at the inputs is known as common mode rejection ratio. Common mode rejection ratio, CMRR. Here we have the tabular column, we have the input voltage here, input voltage, there is AC voltage, and the corresponding output voltage we have taken, and we have calculated CMRR using this formula, that is Vs Ri plus Rf divided by Ri. This is approximately 1000, that is 10 to the power 3 into Vs upon V0. Vs is 1.365, here it is 0.048. So Vs upon V0 into approximately, this is going to work around 1000 if you calculate, because Ri is, let us say, 100 ohms, this is, let us say, 100k, so this will be 100.1 by 0.1, approximately it is 1000. So this Vs upon V0 will be multiplied by this factor, and we get a very large output voltage here. And if you convert this into decibels, that is, this, if you take the log of this, log to the base 10 of this, log to the base 10 of this into 20, if you multiply, I get the same CMRR in terms of the decibels. So here we have CMRR, so the ability to reject is approximately 89.08, 90.45, 90.9, so like this. So this is the CMRR. If we take the average, we get the average CMRR for this particular op amp. Here we can select any frequency between 1 to 10 kilohertz. So here we have selected 1K, that is 1000 hertz we have selected, and we can perform this experiment to find out this very important parameter of the op amp, that is CMRR, common mode rejection ratio. Common signals will be rejected. So in this experiment we have studied two important parameters, that is input offset voltage we have calculated, and we have also calculated the CMRR, that is the common mode rejection ratio. So if you have any difficulties, any suggestions, please give me your feedback, and any suggestions are most welcome. So thank you.